Hi folks, it's Moz here, and on the workbench today I have the brand new QuickBuild Tiger I from Airfix. They announced it in January that they're going to bring out these Lego-esque type models in 1/35th scale, and I've got one on the bench to review and to build. So if you've never seen these before, they're a bit of a favourite of mine. Airfix released these kits that are called quick builds, and they're basically like building blocks, and at the end of it you make a model. Now the reason I like them was that when I was growing up, Lego was really big for me when I was a youngster, and so I was building Lego before I was building scale models. So this is like a way of me going back to my original roots of scale modelling. Or at least building Lego into a model of a lorry or something like that. So I actually like them. They do a version of this which is a lot smaller, but this one is the ultimate. It has moving tracks, the turret moves, and you'll see as I build it that it is basically Lego on steroids. Now I know people look at them and put their nose up at it, but if there's somebody that you know that likes the thought of building scale models and they're not quite ready to get into plastic, glue and paint, these are fabulous. They come pre-colored because they come as the color of the blocks themselves, and the decals are stickers. And this one here is gonna, you know, for me, I've been excited about these, and yeah, both have come this week. Yeah, there's a Tiger I, and there's also a German Firefly tank as well, which I'm hoping to build with my friend Nigel, and we're going to make a joint build of that tank. Anyway, so the box shows you some box art. It's the actual model itself. It's not a digital thing, but they have added some background, and it's blowing out some fire there from, I presume, from when it fired off its shot. And yeah, so it's 1/35th scale, no glue, no paint, just build. And at the corner here you see there's like an exploded view of the tank. It's 6+, okay. On the side of the box you've got the warnings in different lingo. Airfix Club, but there is no flying hours. They don't put flying hours anymore on the quick builds, though there are some that do turn up occasionally in Audi and Lidl that do have the flying hour on them. So product code for this is J6041. That's J6041, and I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can buy this kit. Edge of the box basically the same. It's the box art, other side exactly the same. And then, so you've actually got on the back of the box, you've got, this is the actual size of it. It's 92mm by 242mm. So yeah, it's a fair chunk of plastic there. The stickers included, rolling track, pre-colored, and it's all push fit. And there again, you've got an exploded view, so you can see that it's quite an in-depth build this time. But anyways, before I look inside the box, can I ask a favour? If you have not subscribed to this channel, would you consider subscribing? I'm trying to get to 30,000 subscribers this year, and your subscription would really help, and it's totally free. All you've got to do is click subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Anyways, let's get inside the box. So inside the box you get one bag of sprues, you get a little pack of stickers. That's it, just that's it really. It's, 2 pairs of stickers, 211 with the German symbol, and then you turn it around and you've got the same. So very simple, this one, not much. And then you get your instructions, which if you've done Lego before is exactly the same. We'll look at them just quickly. So basically these are the parts that you need, and it's telling you where to fit them on the diagram, and basically that's what the finished article should look like. Again, so you've got like the sides there, you put them together, that goes on top, and then you've got the finished article, so you can see what you're doing. And basically that's it. Looking at this, there's not a lot of steps really. There's only 14 steps plus where you put the stickers to. And looking like that, it looks like you've got a lot of track. 45 says 90 bits for the track. Oh, so if you enjoy doing this track, you've never built a tank before, you're gonna love this. Quite a lot of the time, quick build stuff comes already off like the sprue, but on this occasion the tracks are on the sprue, so you may need to get a pair of side cutters just to trim these off. And the wheels look like that they're also on sprues. Well, they are obviously on sprues, so you have to you know, you can twist them off like so, and they do come off quite easily. So yeah, that's the only thing you have to do, but the rest of it is relatively loose, not on any sprue. I'm assuming with this one all you do is twist the track and it will come off, and you may want to tidy it up a little bit if you wish. You don't have to, but you might need to do that. Just give them a little tidy up, either with a little knife or with a sand stick. I'm going to do this as if it's a 6-year-old going to build it, so I'm not going to even use a knife or use anything like that. I'm just going to take them off when I need them. Anyways, I suppose I better get on with it. So this is a time lapse, so I will time lapse in it so you can see how it goes together. If you need to see it slowly, just go to the settings and you can turn the speed of the video down. That's basically it. So here we go. We're going to be building this Tiger tank. And there it is. There is the QuickBuild Tiger tank. It was a really good build. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was actually very, very nice to build. You can see inside, you know, it's got some weight to it. You know, it needs some weight, I think, for the tracks to work. And they do seem to move quite smoothly. It's a lovely little kit, especially if you're into your Lego, like I am. The turret moves, the barrel moves up and down. You've got some detail on the front. You've got a fuel tank, machine gun, a shovel. You know, and as I said, these the tracks went together quite well. Yeah, I was going to do this all by hand, but what I did end up doing was just snipping one side of the tracks just to speed up the process a little bit, because it does get waning. There's 50 on each of these. I think there's 50 on each, and all you need is 45. So you get 2 of these. There's the other one. So I put them all together on one thing, and that was 45. No, it's not. You get about 50 odd on each. Then so you got these as spare. But if I just take these off for a minute, I'll just show you how I put the track together. Do it in sections like I did. Basically, the easiest way I found was to that's it. So push the bottom in first, and then just click, and there you go. There's your link. And again, get this side, put the bottom of the pin in, and then just push in at the top, and there you go. There's your track. You know, you do that 45 times. So yeah, what can I say? It is a Lego kit, but it's not like Lego. You know, you actually get a model, and you got to remember with quick builds is that you cannot buy military Lego. You realise that, don't you? I know the Star Wars, which is a bit of fantasy, but they don't do military. So if you want to do Lego with your children, and to do a bit of military with them, quick build's the only way. You know, you don't get Lego Spitfires or nothing like that. That's all Airfix for you. So yeah, they've got a little market there. People forget that Lego don't really do military. So there you go. That is basically one Tiger kit or build. So there you are, folks. That was my review and build of the Airfix QuickBuild Tiger I in 1/35 scale. Over 150 parts in this one. I know 90 of them are in the track, and it is, you know, it does take a lot of getting through. There's a lot of work involved in the track. If you just feed it through, put it around, you'll be absolutely fine. It goes together really, really well. I've enjoyed it. It's a great gift to give to someone. Even if they're an adult, if they like their tanks, you can give them a tank. Like I've just previously said, you know, military in Lego does not exist apart from in the bubble that is Airfix. So there's one reason for you to get involved in Airfix quick builds if you like your Lego. And I think that's pretty much it from me. It's definitely a 5 out of 5 for me when it comes to these quick builds. I've loved it. I really enjoyed it. And I do have the Sherman to do as well, but I'm hoping to do that with as a live build with Nigel's modelling bench. So that should be a bit of fun for us as well. Anyways, that's it. If you want to buy this kit, I will leave a link in the description box below where you can get to the Airfix website and purchase it from them. And obviously, if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. If you would like to become a channel member and help me financially with this channel, you can do by clicking join below and selecting the tier you so wish. On the screen now are the folks who sponsor me on this video by becoming channel members. And channel members will be getting a lot more live streams coming from me, from builds, and more talks as well, just for those who want to become channel members. If you liked my previous video, click here. If you'd like to see other quick builds that I've built and reviewed, click here.